Adjective. An adjective is a part of speech that modifies or describes a noun or pronoun, providing more information about its characteristics. Adjectives can be categorized into several types based on the kind of information they convey. 1. Descriptive adjectives. These adjectives describe the qualities or characteristics of a noun, for example, beautiful, blue, tall. 2. Quantitative adjectives. They indicate the quantity or how much of a noun. Examples include many, few, several. 3. Demonstrative adjectives. These adjectives point to a specific noun and include words like this, that, these, and those. 4. Possessive adjectives. These adjectives show ownership or possession and include words like my, your, his, her, its, our, and their. 5. Interrogative adjectives. These adjectives are used in questions and help identify which noun you are asking about. Examples are which and what. 6. Distributive adjectives. These adjectives refer to individual members of a group and include words like each, every, either, and neither. 7. Indefinite adjectives. They are used to refer to non-specific nouns and include words like some, any, all, many, and several. 8. Comparative adjectives. These adjectives are used to compare two or more things and often end in a or use more and less. Examples include stronger, more, beautiful, and less intelligent. 9. Superlative adjectives. These adjectives indicate the highest degree of equality and often end in est or use most and least. Examples are strongest, most, beautiful, and least intelligent. These are the main types of adjectives, and they serve different functions in sentences to provide more information and context about the nouns they modify.